For today, our topic would be audio and motion media. First of all, what is audio media? Audio is a form of media communication that uses audio or voice recording as a medium in the delivery of information. The examples are given below: the radio broadcast, sound recording, sound clips, effects, audio podcast, and even music. Radio broadcast. Radio broadcast is live or recorded audio sent through radio waves to reach a wide audience. An example of this would be radios like the FM and etc. Music. Music are vocal and instrumental sounds combined to produce beauty of forms, harmony, and expression of emotion, created for various purposes. And sound recording. Sound recordings are recording of an interview, meeting, or any sound from the environment. An example of this would be car honking, or the gust of wind, or the tweets of birds, and etc. And sound clips and effects. Any sound other than music or speech artificially reproduced to create an effect in a dramatic presentation, such as the sound of a storm or a creaking door. Next is the audio podcast, a digital or audio-video file or recording, usually part of a themed series that can be downloaded from a website to a media player or computer. The different ways of storing audio media. First are the tapes. Tape are magnetic tape on which sound can be recorded. Next is CD or compact disc, a plastic fabricated circular medium for recording, storing, playing back audio, video, and computer data. Usong-uso to dati. For example, yung mga pirated movies, naka-DVD na. How about yung mga music albums? For example, yung kay Taylor Swift. Next is Internet Cloud. Alam natin to lahat as ginagamit to ngayon palagi. Well, Internet Cloud are websites or file repositories for retrieving audio files, and more precisely, the files stored in some data center full of servers that is connected to the internet. The USB drive. So, ano ba meaning ng USB? The Universal Serial Bus. An external flash drive, small enough to carry a keyring that can be used in any computer that has a USB port. Palagi natin itong makikita katulad sa presentation natin sa TV. Minsan si Ma'am Entrep or si Ma'am MIL then is merong ganito. Next is the memory card, aka flash memory card or storage card. Is a small storage medium used to store data such as text, picture, audio, and video for use on small, portable, or remote computing devices. Next is the computer hard drive, secondary or also known as the secondary storage devices for storing audio files. The MP3, or also known as the MPEG Audio Layer 3, which means Motion Picture Experts Group, is a common format for consumers' audio, as well as a standard of digital audio compression for the transfer and playback of music on most digital audio players. For example na lang dito is yung sa mismong phone yung mismo, meron diyang music, di ba? Meron kasing parang website na nagtaturn ng YouTube video into an MP3 file, which is ginagawa ko din if nagli-listen ako ng music. So, baka kayo din. Then, yung MP4 or ACC, MPEG for Audio Advanced Audio Coding. An audio coding, standard for lossy digital audio compression, designed to the successor of the MP3 format. AAC generally achieves better sound quality than MP3 at similar bit rates. The WAV or WAV is a microscope audio file format, standard for storing an audio bit stream on PCs. It has become a standard file format for game sounds, among others. Next is the WMA or Windows Media Audio. It is an audio data compression technology developed by Microsoft also and used with Windows Media Player. We have 5 elements: the dialogue, sound effects, music, ambience, and foley. Yung dialogue are the speech, conversation, or voiceovers ng mga subjects na nakikita natin sa isang video or naririnig natin. Katulad na lang dito is yung mga main cast or if nag-talk yung subject, katulad na lang ng podcast, yan ay dialogue. Next naman is the sound effects. Sound effects are artificial or recorded sound that enhance the realism and atmosphere of the scene. An example nito is yung thunder, 'di ba? For example, if may horror scene din pinapakita yung malaking haunted house, then mayroong nagta-thunder, di ba? To add a sense of fright or something na terrifying yung house na yon. Then yung music, alam na naman natin to, are vocal or instrumental sounds or both combined in such a way as to produce beauty of form, harmony, and expression of emotion. Mga kanta, ganun. Next is the ambience. It refers to the background sounds that help create a sense of place or the environment. An example dito, if yung nasa TV is nakapresent ng forest, for example, yung ambience niya dapat is mga birds na nagtitweet or mga gust of winds ng mga puno sa paligid. And if sa city naman, yung ambience naman ng city is loud. For example, yung mga honks ng cars and mga taong padaan-daan sa sidewalk. Next is the foley, the art of creating and recording everyday sounds that synchronize with on-screen actions. It involves adding sounds such as footsteps, clothing rustle, or object interactions to enhance the realism and physicality of a scene. So lastly is hearing versus listening. Hearing is the act of receiving sounds by the ear. Meanwhile, listening requires concentration so that your brain processes meaning from words and sentences. Listening leads to learning.
Motion media is a visual media that gives the appearance of a movement. Can be collection of graphics, footage, videos. It is combined with audio, text, and interactive content to create multimedia. Ang example nito ay animation at video formats. Ano nga ba ang animation? Animation or animated GIFs, graphic interchange format, Flash, Shakewave, Dynamic HTML. Sa video formats naman ay MP4, DUX, MPG, 3PG, AVI, MKV, etc. Two forms of motion media. Informal media, created by individuals, often for personal use, at ang formal media naman created by professionals who follow industry standards in creating, editing, and producing media. Sa informal media, ang example po natin ay yung mga media na nilabas ng mga social media content creators from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Para sa mga short form videos like Reels, vlogs, animated GIFs, memes, or fan-made content. Yan ang mga informal motion media, mga example. Sa formal motion naman sa formal naman ng mga motion media ay films, television shows, documentaries, corporate videos, educational videos, etc. Sources of motion media: internet, and film television studios. Unahin natin ang internet. A universal computer network that delivers a variety of information and communication facilities. Oxford University ND. Film and television studios, a place where films, television shows, and broadcast productions are produced. Next. Another source of motion media is library, a building or room that contains collections of books, periodicals, and sometimes movies, and recorded audio for people to read, borrow, or refer to. Oxford University. Isa sa mga examples ng library is yung mga manga, manhwa, o yung mga binabasa nating comics. Technical methods of detecting tampered fake video. Video smoothness. This is often detected when movements are not smooth, when action seems to jump from one position to another, as if some action was missing. Ito yung mga cutted videos. yung mga pirated, makikita natin sa mga pirated, yung mga low quality. Lighting coverage matches. One way to detect lighting matches is to look at the shadowy. The source of light determines the size and direction of shadows. Elements and principle of motion design. Speed. Highlighting the tone of the movement. The two types are: fast movement provides alertness and escalating motions. Slow movement indicates wariness, seriousness, or sorrow. Sa fast movements, madalas natin siya makikita sa mga action movies, yung mga may gunfights, war, yung mga ganon. Sa slow movement naman, madalas natin siya makikita sa mga romantic, sa mga comedy. Yung mga sinasabi nila na kapag nakikita mo siya, bumabagal yung ikot ng mundo, parang kayong dalawa lang doon. And sa mga sad movies naman, katulad ng mga may namatay, etc. Sa motion plot naman refers to special movements such that a thing or an animated object that will take displays the change in direction of a certain movement. Sa motion path, madalas natin siya makikita sa camera angles para maipakita nung director yung tatahakin ng movie para or film or videos para may pagkasunod-sunod or sequence kung ano yung susundan. Sa direction naman, specifies a movement from one route to another, refers to growth or shrinkage of an object or thing. Madalas to sa camera angles para maipakita yung mga bagay na kailangan or importante or yung magiging focus ng films, videos, or mga animations na ginagawa. Sa formats of motion media naman, sinabi ko na kanina, yung film, a series of moving graphics or images with accompanying or of a record sound. Television, a telecommunication system for transmitting and receiving visual images and sound that are reproduced in screens. Interactive video, a kind of digital video that involves users' interactions and participations. So, next, sa advantages ng motion media ay this provide better mastery of processes, this display the procedures in detail and in sequence. Ibig sabihin, may pagkasunod-sunod kapag ang motion media ay maayos. This allow for harmless observation, this capture motion in a manner that can be viewed over and over, meaning recorded siya. This allow recreation of the scenes, history, events, and phenomena. Limitations of motion media. This cannot be interrupted by the viewers. These are at times unsuitable for other topics that are presented best using stagnant pictures. These are subject to misinterpretation, especially for younger audiences who lack maturity. Sa limitations, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng katulad ng MTRCB to regulate some sound fields and videos na pinoproduce sa platforms. These are oftentimes more expensive than other forms of visual media. Yun lang. Thank you.
And that is all. Thank you for watching the instructional video of Group 4, Audio and Motion Media.